Today in this video I'm showing you how to make a caramel cake roll, part 1. Check out that caramel, guys, how delicious. And of course, here's me trying some. Preheat your oven at 170 degrees and you're going to bake this cake for 10 minutes. You will need sugar, baking powder, room temperature eggs, dulce de leche or condensed milk caramel, and some plain flour. Separate your egg whites and yolks in separate bowls. Once you've done that, you're going to whip up your egg whites and adding a little tiny bit of sugar. Once that's done, you're going to then move on to whipping up your egg yolks, adding all the sugar slowly, a little bit at a time. Then you're going to add your baking powder. Once all whipped together and nice and creamy, you're going to fold it into the egg whites slowly. Once that's done, you're going to fold in gently the plain flour, folding slowly. Once that's done, you're going to get a pan and baking paper and add it to your pan. Bake for 10 minutes. Just like that, it's out of the oven and ready to peel off. You're doing that straight away, and then you're going to roll. You've taken out the oven and peeled it. You're going to roll it hot. This is to keep the shape. So you're going to let it cool. Once cool, you're going to unwrap it, and then you're going to fill it with your dulce de leche or condensed milk caramel. Just slowly unwrap it, like I'm doing here. Now I'm filling it with the caramel. You could literally fill it with whatever you like, not just caramel, chocolate, nuts, anything you like really. Once it's all filled like so, then I'm going to roll it back up. Now guys, you've got to roll it slowly because you don't want to crack the cake, or sponge rather. Here I'm just rolling it. Then I'm going to dust it with some icing sugar. And here's it nicely rolled. Check that out, guys. Dusting with icing sugar. Serve with cream or ice cream or whatever you'd like. Thanks for watching. Cheers, guys.